Hey everybody, Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2020 Mercedes-Benz GLE 350 4MATIC. This comes in a green exterior with a beige interior. Some nice wood grain accent trim in the vehicle. Sunroof. Blind spot assist. And coming around to the back here, we've got our GLE 350, Mercedes-Benz, and 4MATIC badging. Power opening and closing trunk. Push button to close. Take a look at our rear seats next. So get another look at that accent trim as well as the heated seats in the rear as well. Also have the premium Burmester sound system upgrade. Quick look up at the front of the vehicle. Another look at the sunroof, both front and rear. Got our driver's side here next. So we've got power heated and ventilated seats for both driver and passenger. You can see the controls here. Door controls, driver's seat with lumbar support. Steering wheel. And let's go ahead and hop inside. Mileage in this vehicle currently at 4,828. Do the push button ignition. And here we have our touchscreen display. Currently showing navigation, radio, and backup camera. Of course, you can control that by using the touchscreen itself. There's also a command module right down here. You can make adjustments here as well. Then we have climate control and the Mercedes-Benz shifter. If you're interested in getting additional information about this vehicle, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.